Please refer to the specific model after it has been disassembled. If the car key is out of power, you can change it yourself, saving money and time. Prepare a set of small sticks and a small screwdriver for replacement. Avoid damaging the car key during the process. Locate the latch button on the back of the car key. Pull out the mechanical key while holding down the button. Insert the small stick into the mechanical keyhole. Gently pry open the back cover. Gently detach the battery. Please use the Lithdursel graphene-specific battery and pay attention to the corresponding professional model. Replace it with a graphene large-capacity battery for automobiles. The cover is back to the back panel. Insert the mechanical key back in. In this way, the key was resurrected with full blood.